Hi everyone, Sarah here. I have a quick unboxing to share with you. This is from Amazon. The company HomeCraftology Direct reached out to me and asked me if I would review this diamond painting from them. So they sent it to me. It's on Amazon. I will have the link down below. It's currently listed for $16.99 and then there's a $1 off coupon, and it also shows free shipping for your first purchase. So check it out. It came super fast. I want to say it was 1 or 2 days. Very, very fast. And I'm not sure if that was just because of the way it was sent through Amazon, but yeah. So here's the little slip here with the product number. It's a 12 by 16 square full drill owl diamond painting, and it's from, again, from HomeCraftology Direct, which if I understand correctly, is part of Scener Direct. So here's the box. There is the picture. Very cool, colorful owl, which is awesome. 12 by 16. Yeah, see HomeCraftology. There's some instructions on the side and the back. So that is our box. And again, nicely packaged in the box there. Ooh, cool. Okay, so that's it. Here's the toolkit. We have a white boat, a piece of wax. There's a good amount of baggies, and we have 2 clear sparkle pens. They both have single placers and ta-da, the skinny placers. So we have a 4 and a 10. Awesome. Very excited about that. Love the skinny placers. So that's really cool. And let's open up the drills. Don't mind the crinkling. All right, so it does come with an inventory sheet. Wow. There are 46 colors. So there is the image. In centimeters, it's 30 by 40. There is inventory sheet with the drills and the quantity. And there's the symbols if you want to take a little quick look. A lot of different symbols, letters, and a few numbers, just a few. But 46 colors, that is a lot for this size of painting. And they are in the strips here. DMC code is on an inventory sheet, and then on here it's just the, oh, it is the drill number and the DMC code. So let me see. This is the beginning. So we have 1, 2, 3, 2 packages of black. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. A nice bright yellow. 16, 17, 18, 19. Find the other end here. There's 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and then we have 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, and 46. So we have all of the colors. The drills look pretty good. From what I can tell in here, they look nice, but again, we'll see when we get the painting started. I like the way that they're packaged. And then look at this canvas. Okay, so this kind of reminds me of Tin Me Arts, but it's really soft like Diamond Art Club. It's very velvety on the back. It has the pierced and scalloped edges. The canvas number, canvas size, the legend on there is very, very tiny, so it is a good thing that we do have our inventory sheet, because this, I cannot see these symbols at all. There's no way, but there is a legend. Top left, bottom right, there is the image. You guys can see. It looks very cool, very gorgeous rainbow owl. Pretty excited about this. There's some instructions on the bottom and an email that you can call, or email that you can send if you're missing diamonds. Now let's measure. So it does say 30 by 40. And I did not check the ad to see if that is image or canvas, but I'm going to say it's canvas because the image is 25, canvas is 30. And then this one, just shy, oh no, 35. And outer canvas is 40. So you got 5 centimeters on each side for the exterior. The glue is sticky. It does come out a bit on the bottom edge here. Symbols are a little dark, so definitely need a light pad for this one. But it does look pretty clear. They do use, for the majority, the white. There's some dark with black in here, but you're gonna want your light pad for those. You'll be able to see them so much better. But the other ones, where the bright colors are, they look nice and clear. Yeah, definitely sticky. Looks good. I do like the quality of the canvas, so check it out. They do have other images also. Yeah. We will have to work on this one so we can show you the finished project, but there you go. Hope you guys enjoy that. Check out the links down below. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.